This takes us to items needing individual consideration. There are 4 items today. The first item is considering ratifying Commissioner Fletcher's signature on the Colorado Water Conservation Board grant award of $1,786,736 for the Orchard Mesa Check Piping on 38 Road Bike and Pedestrian. Laura Page, will you address this, please?
Good morning, Commissioners. Laura Page, Mesa County Engineering Director. This item is for signing and approving the grant that I've talked to you before for the 38 Road Bike and Ped project. This grant is from the Colorado Water Conservation Board that will pay for up to half of the cost to pipe the Orchard Mesa check channel that runs parallel to 38 Road. By piping that channel, that will then allow us to construct the bike path that is also part of this project on top of that where the channel is existing right now. So with this grant and the Transportation Alternative Program grant that we'd already received, that gives us total grants of a little over $2.6 million towards the cost of this project, which is roughly right now about $6 million. So I'd be happy to answer your questions.
Commissioners, do you have any comments or questions on this item?
I do not.
Does anyone in the audience have any questions or comments on this item?
I'm going to just take a minute. Laura, just for clarification, we're not piping a canal to put a bike lane on it. I mean, I know we've talked about it a lot, but if someone was just new to this conversation, could you just back up a little bit and explain? We don't own the canal. We're not piping it for a bike lane. Yeah.
Good point. Good point. No, when we got the TAP grant, originally we were looking at widening 38 Road along the edge of the canal to put the bike path up there. When the cost started getting pretty high because of the wall that was needed, the Orchard Mesa Irrigation District and our engineer identified this water grant as a possible means of saving money on this project by providing additional funds. So we're working with Orchard Mesa to put the pipe in this along this check dam, which also then benefits the irrigation interest by making the flow of the water down back into the river prior to the Orchard Mesa takeout. I don't remember the actual name of their channel there. Make their flows more hydraulically efficient. So we will have an easement from Orchard Mesa for the bike path on it. So it's a dual purpose grant, but mostly came about because of our Bike and Ped project.
Great. Thank you for explaining that to the public.
Yeah, I'd just like to make mention that my wife and I and my family, we've lived at the top of 38 Road Hill. We moved up there in 1997, and we sure appreciate all of the improvements and the infrastructure that the county's invested on the 38 Road Hill and the Bike and Wine Byway. It's a very critical part of the infrastructure in Mesa County, connecting, again, the Fruit and Wine Byway to Orchard Mesa. And hundreds of people use that road, especially during festivals. We see an increase of traffic. It'll just resonate with more safety as pedestrians and bicyclists use that. It's very narrow, as you know now. It'll just give a great sense of safety aspects. So thank you for this.
You're welcome.
If anybody had any questions or comments on this item, if you would come up. Okay, seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries 3-0.